Hello everyone, I am Rashed. In this short video tutorial, I will create Cyberpunk Effect using Photoshop, and in the end of the video, I will provide an action and explain how you can use the action to create the effect automatically on any image. It's a very easy tutorial, so stay tuned with me and hopefully you will learn something new. First of all, I will take a color balance adjustment and we will target the midtones. So first I will take the slider towards cyan and you can follow along with me and dial the number. For the first one it is -35, for the second one it is -58, and for the final +40. Now I will take a hue saturation . For the reds, it is -25, and you can increase the saturation as much as you like. For reds, I will increase the saturation +15. For yellow, it is -111 and increase the saturation. For green, it is +61, then increase the saturation as well. For cyans, it is -30. For blues, it is -30 and saturation +20. And lastly, for magentas, it is +30 as well as +20 for the saturation. Now I will create a S curve to boost the contrast. Now it is the main part. I will be using a gradient map to create the cyberpunk color grading effect. So dial in the color code as I do. And change the blend mode to soft light and reduce the opacity to 75%. Here is the before and after. We are almost there. Now I will create a photo filter, cooling filter. And I will also add a vibrance adjustment layer to make the color pop. I will also create another curves adjustment layer to brighten the shadows a bit. And change the blend mode to luminosity so that it doesn't affect the color, only the brightness level. Finally, I will create a stamp visible layer by pressing Ctrl Shift Alt plus E. Change the blend mode to overlay and apply high pass to increase the sharpness. I will keep the radius of high pass between 1.5 to 2. You can add as much sharpness as you want according to your picture, but for this picture 2.2 is fine. And there you have it. Using the simple steps, we just created the cyberpunk effect on this image. Now I will use the action that I have created to apply the effect on any image automatically. So first of all, we need to load the action. So go to Window, then Actions. I'll provide the download link in the description so that you can download the action for free and load the action. Then simply select your image and then select the action and hit the play button, and it will do the task automatically. So let us try the effect on another image. Simply hit the play button and then adjust the high pass radius. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if it is helpful, and also don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.